Dear students, now we are going to discuss sums or problems possible out of linkage recombination. So here we are going to calculate a total number of gametes possible out of an individual, or total number of progeny plants produced in F2 generation. So first one, calculate a number of total number of gametes, individual gametes. Okay, so calculation related to number of gametes. Number of gametes on the base of a percentage of recombination. On the base of percentage of recombination. Okay, so first one is for example, capital Y, capital R, crossed with a small y, small r, small r. Okay, right? So this is the cross, means genotype of parents. And here, in this case, percentage of recombination. Recombination between two genes concerned with seed color and shape. Seed color and shape. Okay, so what about the frequency of or number of frequency of gametes? Of gametes from F1. F1 out of this cross. If percentage of recombination between two genes concerned is 50%. Now, what they're asking, what is the frequency of gametes from F1? F1, and here total number of gametes. Total number of gametes produced is, for example only, is 400. Okay, so go back to independent assortment. With the help of independent assortment, you can calculate this one. What they're asking? Gametes, frequency of gametes from F1, and total number of gametes given. Now, what about the individual gametes they're asking? Okay. So first, individual gametes. So according to 50%. So here, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. That is a F1 of a cross made between these two. So from this one, what are the types of gametes? First, decide the total number of gametes, kinds of gametes. What are they? Capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, small y, small r. So here 4 kinds of gametes. This is well known to you. Out of 4 kinds, what about these 2? Parental gametes. Parental gametes. Parental gametes means capital Y, capital R. Yes. From this one, small y, small r, parental. And what about these 2? Recombinant gametes. Recombinant gametes. Now go back to percentage of recombination. 50% recombinants given. 50% recombinants you can take out of these alleles. Okay, so what about the total number of kinds of recombinant gametes? 1, 2. So now 50% divided by 2 is 25. Okay, so what about the total number of kinds of phenotype, genetically recombined gametes? 2. Take 2 here. So what about the probability of this one? 25, 25, and this one also remaining 25, 25. 50% divided by concerned one. So formula for this one is, okay, so given percentage of recombinants, given percentage of recombinants given in the data by kinds of recombinant gametes. Okay, so you will get a percentage or total number of individual kinds of recombinant gametes. Okay, so definitely according to this one, 25%. So 50% should be shared by 2 kinds of recombinant gametes. Now go back to total number of gametes. How many gametes given? 400 given. Out of 400, what about the number of this one? 100. This one 100. This is very simplest one. 100 and 100. Okay, so what about individual gametes? Take here. So capital Y, capital R. How many? 100 gametes. Okay, so small y, small r, 100 gametes. Recombinant gametes, capital Y, small y, capital R, 100, 100. This is very simplest sum, easy to calculate. Okay, so when this type is asked, simply divide given percentage of recombinants by total number of kinds of recombinants. Then you'll get the answer for that one. Okay, they may ask, what about the parental gametes? Okay, what about the total number of recombinant gametes? If they question you total number of recombinant gametes, go for 200. Parental means how many? Here, according to that one, 200. They may change percentage also. Okay, suppose they will give you, instead of 50%, they may give you 40% also. If 40% is given, for example, change it. This question is actually completed. If it is 40% recombination, simply divide 40% by 40 by 2. So percentage is 20%. So 20% means according to given one. Now, what about the percentage of individual gametes? Gamete 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kinds of gametes. So what about percentage of recombinant gametes? 20%. 20%. 40% complete. Remaining percentage? 30%. 30%. 30, 30, 60 plus 40. So they may change the percentage of recombination. Simply divide the given percentage of recombination by number of kinds of gametes. Okay, so that is a way to calculate a percentage of gametes or number of gametes, right? Next. Okay. Next one. Second sum. Assume that A and B are linked genes. A and B are linked genes and show %, recombination. 40% recombination. Okay, 40% recombination. Recombination frequency between A and B is 40%. What they're asking, if plus oblique plus means superscript plus means dominant alleles. If plus is given, dominant alleles. Dominant alleles. Okay. A plus, B plus, like that. If plus is given, that allele is a dominant allele according to Morgan. Okay, so if plus oblique plus individual is this individual is crossed with A, B oblique AB. So this one double homozygous, double dominant. That is double homozygous, double recessive. Simply, you can replace this one with a Y plus W plus Y plus W plus. This one Y W like that. And what they need, the proportion of gametes in F1 will be. Question is proportion of gametes from F1, how much? Means what are the types of gametes? How many kinds of gametes possible they're asking. Okay, right? So first take a plus oblique plus crossed with A, B oblique AB. Definitely A. What about the concerned individuals? A plus oblique B, B plus, maybe in cis or trans condition. Okay, right? Wait 1 minute, hang on. Yeah, you can take like that. Residual dominant allele. Residual dominant allele. This is a F1 possible out of that one. If this F1 is subjected to self-pollination, for example, here I'm taking self-pollination. Okay, F1 only is given. Now, how many kinds of gametes possible? Okay, so from this one, first, small a, small b, A, B, parental gametes. Okay, next, A with B plus, A, B plus, recombinant gamete. Okay, right? 1 minute, hang on. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. Wait, change it. Wait, hang on, please. Wait. A, B, oblique plus plus. Take like this. Wait. Okay, so A plus B plus. Take like this. So AB, one type of gamete. AB. Right? Next. AB completed. Plus B plus A or A plus. Plus A or A plus. Recombinant gamete. Next. Plus B. Next plus plus. Go back. From this one A and B. Parental gametes. From this one plus plus. Parental gamete. And what about plus A plus B recombinant gametes? Now go back to percentage of recombination. How much given? 40%. Okay. So 40 divided by number of kinds of recombinant gametes here. These two are the recombinant gametes. Recombinant gametes. Okay, so 40 divided by 2. Each one 20%. So now what about this one, and this one? First decide these two things. 20%, 20% completed. 40% completed. Remaining how much? 60%. So 30%, 30%. Okay, right? Number of gametes is not given. Just decide the percentage. Okay, is it clear? So simply do one thing. If percentage is given, divide that percentage by total number of kinds of gametes, and you'll get the answer. Next. So that is about calculation of gametes. Okay, so no, plus A is recombinant, plus B is recombinant. See, go back. What about the parents here? Plus 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 plus. AB. This is one parent. This is another parent. Plus plus is a parental. AB is a parental. Recombinants are plus A plus B are recombinants. Okay, is it clear? Next, second one, calculate the distance between genes. Between genes, two genes particularly. So how to calculate the distance between genes on the basis of given data? Okay, so one question. Individual is an individual or one plant. Individual is homozygous for CD, homozygous for C and D gene. Alleles of that gene is crossed with wild type. CD without a superscript. Wild type means definitely plus you have to take. Wild type. And F1 means plus C plus D. F1 is crossed back or crossed with or crossed back or crossed with double recessive parent. That is a double recessive parent. Okay, next. In this cross, what about the offspring? They are giving offspring. Means progeny individuals. What are they? They are giving progeny also. Plus means homozygous, wide. How many? 903. Total number of plus individuals in that offspring, 903. Next, CD means homozygous recessive, 897. Next, recombinants, plus D, plus C. These two are recombinants. Plus D, or you may use a D plus also. 98, 102. Okay, so now how to complete this sum? First, what is the total of all the individuals? Okay, so 903 plus 897 plus 98 plus 102 is 2000. So total number of progeny is 2000. Okay, so what about individual? Now what they're asking, the question, final question. The distance between, the question is wait. Okay, no problem. Actually, they asked one question. The question is distance between C and D genes is. The question is distance between C and D genes. Okay. So here plus parental, CD parental. And what about these two recombinants? These two are the recombinants. Okay. So now, what about the distance? How to calculate the distance? Simply take total number of recombinants. Here, recombinants. How many recombinants? Recombinants total is 200. Okay, so now decide the percentage of this one. Okay, so total number of recombinants. Recombinant number means total number of recombinants by total progeny into 100. So now 200 divided by 2000 into 100. If you simplify it, definitely you'll get 10%. So the recombination frequency between C and D according to given data is 10%. So definitely the distance between those two, simplify it. So now distance between C and D is according to this percent. So 10% is equal to 10 centimorgan or map units. Both are same. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That is true. First line. Individually is homozygous for CD. This is a homozygous. CCDD is crossed with wild type. What is that wild type? Plus plus superscript is present. The product of this one, F1. F1 is crossed with a double ratio. What is F1? Double heterozygous, double dominant, crossed with this one. Okay, so you need not to worry about all these things. Simply, they give the data or not. What you have to do? First, calculate the total number of recombinants. These two are the recombinants. Recombinant means here, one dominant, one recessive. See this one, both are dominant, means parental only. It is not recombinant. CD, recessive alleles, one kind. Means homozygous. But what about this one? Dominant, recessive, heterozygous. Dominant, recessive, heterozygous. These two are the recombinants. So calculate the total number of recombinants. How many? 200. Okay. So now decide the percentage of recombinants according to given number of individuals. For that one, total number of recombinants. How many? 200. By total progeny. How much? What about total progeny? 2000. Into 100, you'll get a percentage of recombination. So percentage of recombination is 10%. Percentage of recombination is 10%. That is equal to distance between concerned genes. Okay. Is it clear? We will discuss. We will discuss at the end. Okay, so don't forget that 1% recombination is equal to 1 centimorgan or 1 map unit. Next. Next question. Wait. Question is, The percentage of recombination. Percentage of recombination involving means recombination between concerned genes. Percentage of recombination involving means involved with what type of genes? Involving the seed color and seed shape in the case of a pea plant. In a plant is 10%. So you need not to worry about it. 10% recombination given. What is the distance or map units? Distance between two genes present on a chromosome color and shape of the seed. So for this one, you need not to worry about what is this data. Simply, percentage is given. What are the genes actually? Seed shape, seed color. Color concerned. Color concerned is a yellow gene or not? Yellow and green. Shape. Round, wrinkled. Okay, so don't worry about total data. Simply focus on this one. Percentage is given. So what they're asking, what is the distance between Y and R genes? That was the question. Okay, 1% recombination is equal to 1 centimorgan. So answer is simply 10 centimorgan or map units. Directly given, percentage is given, percentage is equal to distance between genes. Okay, next. Right? Next. Sequence of genes on same chromosome. What about the sequence? Okay, for this one, the question is if gene sequence, question is, first question, if gene frequency, if gene frequency between various genes given, between, here I am writing A and C is 2%, means 2% recombination. AC and BC. B and C. B and C, how much? 13%. 13%. B and 4. B and B and D. 4%. A and B. A and B. A and B, 15%. Next, C and D. 19%. Okay, so how many genes given? A, B, C, D. 4 genes given. They're asking what about the sequence? Correct sequence of all these on the basis of percentage of recombination or distance between them. So 2% means 2 centimorgan, 13 centimorgan, 4 centimorgan, 15 centimorgan, 19 centimorgan. Okay, right? So given options one by one. First option. What are the options here I'm taking? First option. The correct sequence is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay, so what about the distance between A and C? Given sequence, given centimorgans. A and C, how much? 2 centimorgan. BC, how much? 13 centimorgan. BD, B and D. B and D, how much? 4. Next, AB. AB, how much? 15. Next, CD. CD given one is 19. This is wrong arrangement. Not the correct one. Check it. This is not correct one. Next, B. Given one ACBD. ACBD. Okay, so we have to try. AC, how much? 2 centimorgan. BC. B and C. B and C. I think this is also wrong. B and C. Next, BD. BD. 4 centimorgan. Next, A and B. A and B, how much? A and B, 15 centimorgan. Means 13 plus 2. Okay, acceptable some extent. 13 plus 2, 15 between A and B. The distance between AC and the distance between C and B should be equal to the distance between A and B. Acceptable some extent. Next, AB completed. Next, C and D. C and D, how much? C and D given one is C and D. 19 given. Yes, acceptable, I think. Acceptable. 15 plus 4, how much? 15 plus 4, 17 only. So we have to change somewhere. Instead of 19%, they should give 17%. We'll check it, no problem. Next, C. So B almost approaching the answer, but something wrong. I think our data was wrong. We'll check it again, no problem. Next, third option, DBAC. DBAC. Now AC, A and C, how much? 2 centimorgan. BC. BC how much? 13. BD. B and D. B and D 4. AB. AB 15. I think this is wrong. That is wrong one. Okay. So go for D. ADBC. 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 We have to try all these things one by one. Okay, so first AC. A and C. 2%. This is wrong one. Definitely wrong one. BC. BC 13. BC 13. Utter wrong. So change it. Small change is required. Instead of 19, data was wrong, I think. Take a 17. Now you'll get it. Take 17 centimorgan. Now come back. 2 centimorgan, 13 centimorgan. So 2 plus 13. The distance between A and B is a 15 centimorgan matching. Wait. 15 centimorgan. Okay. Yeah, no problem. So between A and B, 2 centimorgan, 13 centimorgan. The distance between A and B, we got it. No problem. Next. Wait. C and D, 17. So 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4. Wait, something wrong. 15 plus 4. No, take 19 only. 15 plus 4, we are getting that one. 15 plus 4. Yeah, take 19 only. 19. Yeah, we are getting it. 15 plus 4, 19. Okay, so C and D, how much given? What is this? A 2 centimorgan? Oh, upper one. Okay, so this is the correct one. Okay, now come back. AC, how much? AC. AC is 2. Okay, acceptable. Next, B and C. B and C, how much? B and C, 13 given. Okay, 9. Next, B and D. B and D, 4. Okay. A and B. A and B. AB. AB, 15 given. Okay. C and D. CD, 19. So this is the correct arrangement. How to get it? The distance between AC is 2. And CB is 13. So 13 plus 2, 15. 15 is the distance between A and D. Okay, acceptable. Next, the distance between C and D is 19 given. Is it correct or not? Check it. The distance between C, D with the distance between B and D is equal to 19. So this is the correct arrangement of genes on the base of given percentages. Okay. Right. Yeah, 13 plus 4. Yeah, 13 plus 4. Yeah, 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. If it is so, we have to change 1 minute. 13 plus 4. We should not, yeah. Change it. No. Take 17 only, then you will get it. Otherwise, not possible. 17. If it is 17, we will get it. 13 plus 4. 16 plus 1. 17. Okay, so between C and D should be 17. Okay, so this is the correct arrangement of genes present on the chromosome according to percentages, that is equal to centimorgans, concerned one. Okay, next. Next question. in a linear chromosome, means chromosome, in one chromosome, map distance means centimorgan or map distance between four loci. Four loci means, for example, this is a bivalent A, B, for example only. C, D. This is a locus 1, locus 2, locus 3, locus 4, location of concerned genes. Four loci, plural. Okay, between four loci are as follows. What is that one? A and B. First one, A and B. The map distance is a 10 centimorgan. Next, B and C. How much given? B and C, 4 centimorgan. 4 centimorgan. Okay. AB 10, BC 4, AD 3. A and D 3 centimorgan. Always use a M capital. AD 3, AC 6. A and C 6 centimorgan. Question is frequency of recombination, means percentage of recombination. Percentage of recombination between C and D. Okay, so 10 centimorgan means 10%, 4%, 3%, 6% actually. Now, what about the arrangement of all these genes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 even. 4 given. One by one, we'll check it. Arrangement, first arrangement. Take the first arrangement. So more distance is in between A and B. A, B. With how much? 10 centimorgan. Next, B and C or D. A and D. Take A and D. So here I'm taking D in between. Okay. So A and D, how much? 3 centimorgan. Wait. Okay. A and D, 3 centimorgan. Next, B and C, BC. Wait. Wait. Highest one take first. A, B completed. C and D. Next, A, B, D and C. Okay, like this, is it possible? We'll check it one by one. Second one, A, B given, D and C here. We'll check and go for another combination. So A, B, how much? A and B, 10. Next, B and C, B and C. BC4. It's a wrong one, I think. It should not be wrong one. Okay, come to this one. AB. A and B. 10. BC. 4. AD. 3 centimeters. Centimorgan, sorry. A and C. A and C. A and C 6. Okay. What they're asking, the distance between CD. C and D. Okay, C and D. The given one is 3R. Okay. 6 minus, here it is, okay. C and D. So C and D means this one, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. So according to this one, 9% or 9 centimorgan. That is one combination working. And one more probability. So here 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, working. Next, take one more combination. One more combination. Wait, 9 completed. Wait. A, B, C, D already completed. A, B. Any combination are you getting? Try. One more combination. We have to get one more probability. A, B. Wait. A, B. And C, D. We will try this one. Wait. A, B. A, B, how much? 10. B, C. 4. A, D. A, D, 3. I think this is wrong one. This is wrong one. DC we will try. Wait, we'll get it, no problem. AB, how much? AB 10. BC, BC 4, BC 4. BC 4. AD 3, A and D 3. A and C, A and C. A and C, we are not getting. A, D, C, B. We will try this one. A and B. A and B 10. BC. BC 4. Already completed? No, not completed. A and D 3. AC, how much? 6. Okay, what they're asking? CD they are asking. C and D. Okay, so the distance between A and C is 6. 6 minus 3. Now we got it. Okay, so 9% or 3%. Okay, so avoid this one. This one, wrong one. So the correct one is this one and this one. Two probabilities are there. Either 9% or 3%. Our distance is 9 centimorgan or 3 centimorgan. Either 9% or 3%. Okay. It's a time consuming one little bit.